To transfer cryptocurrency from one wallet to another, such as from Tangem to Coinbase. First, open your Tangem wallet and select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, in this case, Bitcoin. Next, click on the Send button, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. Then, open the Coinbase app and click on the Receive button to access your crypto address. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, which in this case is also Bitcoin, and click on it to obtain your address. Copy the address by clicking the Copy button next to it. Then return to your Tangem wallet and paste the address into the designated area. Enter the amount you want to transfer and choose the network fee, low, normal, or priority. Finally, click the Send button and complete the transaction by tapping the card on your phone. Once this is done, your cryptocurrency will be successfully transferred from your Tangem wallet to your Coinbase wallet.